Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if this is your first time of visiting, please subscribe, like, and share our video. Thank you very much. Um, there is something that I discovered. There is a trading platform that I discovered. So I would like to share. I would like to share it with you guys. I don't know how legit it is. I don't know how it works, but I want to share it with you guys since I've discovered it already. I can see that people are really depositing on it. So, and it pays huge. I don't know. So, I would like to show you the platform so that you see. And also, anybody that wants to register can use link on the description. I will be putting link on the description for people that wants to register. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not perfect in this game, but what I'm trying to show you is that this channel is all about making money and how to make money. So I will be sharing all kinds of websites and apps on this site on daily basis. So I'm not advising you 100% to join anyone. So before you join anyone, make sure you do a very good research before you join any platform that I share here. So that is it. So I'll be dropping link on the description in case if anybody wants to join. So let's go to the first of all, let me show you how I saw it on YouTube because many people are depositing already. So let me show you the YouTube where I saw the thing. For instance, now I came to YouTube, I searched Pegasus, trading. So this is it. People are talking about it. You can see this guy talked about it. This one, as you can see, come to almost all the people, almost many channels on YouTube are talking about it. So as you can see, this one is talking about how to fund Pegasus. So that is it. So I want to log in to my own account right now to see how it goes. So come here. It's loading. Here is the website. So I'll be putting link on the description in case if you want to sign up. So if you want to sign up, it will be easier for you to sign up. So there will be link on the description for you to sign up. So professional trading system, make 1.5% a day, 200 days, 300 total income, 300% total income. We know how to make a profit whether the market is moving up or down. We take risk in order to get rewarded, and we know how to control our losses. Get started now. As you can see their message. You can see what they wrote. You can read this place and see. You can see what they wrote here and get started now. If you want to get started, maybe if you want to sign up, you can use that place. You can see their customer care. You can see their customer care right here. That is their customer care. So if you want to send a message, you can use that link there to send a message. So, but I have signed up already. So let me log in to see how the dashboard looks like. So if you want to log in, maybe you've signed up, you can use this place to log in. So I've signed up already. So let me log in. Yes. So I got to sign in right now. Okay, I'm on my dashboard. As you can see, I'm having 00 USD. I haven't funded the account, but I will fund maybe today. So you can fund a minimum of $50. Minimum of $50. So this is how it goes. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, this is balance, this is invested, this is payouts, this is end, this is dividends. So I think the platform is well designed. Their design is okay. Their design is okay. So let's look for how to fund. As you can see this menu right here. The first one is home, second one deposit, third one withdrawals, fourth one referrals, fifth one dividends, the next one my deposit, my withdrawals, earnings, payout, addresses, settings, and logout. So let's go to the tab withdrawal and see. Let's go to the tab deposit. Let's go to deposit. This is deposit. Let's see how it works. Okay. The minimum deposit amount is $50 and the maximum of $250,000. Okay. So let's see. Let's try with $50. For instance, you type 50, then you will select if you want to deposit with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ePayQ, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Tron, USDT, USDT TRX, Dash, Stellar, Doge, Bitcoin Gold, Monero, Zcash, Verge. So many more. There are many. Depends on the one that I want to deposit with. So, but as for me, if I would like to deposit, I would deposit either USDT TRX. So then after you set up this place, then you click on proceed to payment. Once you click that, look at their notification. If the deposit is less than the amount given, as in if the deposit is less than $50, it will not be credited. Contact support for refund. Your deposit will be credited to your account after one blockchain confirmation. So that is it. What they are trying to say here now is that if you deposit less than $50, it will not be credited, and $50 is their minimum deposit amount. So after you fill that place, what you will do is to copy this link, to copy this URL, this address, this wallet address. Once you copy it, then you go to your trading app, maybe Binance, maybe any other platform, maybe Trust Wallet, any other platform that you are using to trade. You can copy the address, go there and send the money to your wallet on Pegasus. Once you send it, after sending it, they will credit you. So that is it. So if you want to sign up, I will be putting link down for you to sign up easily. So if you sign up, you can still try. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm just trying to introduce the app to you guys. So anybody that wants, so you can still make more research before you join. So that is it. Thank you very much and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.